students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.1, question number 3. The question is 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? Okay. So, they are saying that total number of students. So, total number of students, it is 25. Okay. Of this, 72% okay, are interested in mathematics. So, interested in mathematics is 72%. Okay, how many are not interested in mathematics? So, how many students are not interested in mathematics, they are asking. Okay, so first of all, the interested one plus not interested one, okay, in mathematics is nothing but 100%. Okay, so the interested one percentage is what? 72%. Okay, so not interested percent, okay, that I don't know. Okay, when we add both we will get 100%. So not interested percentage is 100 minus 72. So that is, when we subtract 72 from 100, we will have 10 minus 2, that is 8. We have 9 here, 9 minus 7, it is 2. So 28% are not interested. Okay. So they are not asking about the percentage, but how many of them are not interested in mathematics, they are asking. For that, they have given number of students also as 25. Okay. So 28% of the given students, 28% of students is nothing but not interested category, right? So the number of students not interested is given by 28% of the given students. So 28% I can write it as 28 by 100. Number of students, it is 25. Okay. So when we apply 5 tables, 5 2s are 10. Here it is 0. Just write as it is. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 tables we can apply, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So again 4 tables we can apply, 4 1s are 4, 7 4s are 28, 7 into 1 is 7. Okay. So when they ask about the percentage, the not interested percentage is 28, and here they asked how many are not interested in mathematics. So how many students means not interested in math, right? It is equal to 7 students. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.